Hello everyone. So in the previous video in session 1 we have seen about what is computer network and what are the major properties of computer networks and what are the types of computer networking models available, and then we have seen about the uses of computer, and finally we saw that what are the evaluations we come across for computer networks. So in today's session 2, so we are going for the next terms, that is network topologies. So what is network topology? Here you can see that. So this topic today we are going to see network topologies. And before that we have to see what are the types of networks are there. So network is nothing but the interconnection of computer devices. So based on the connection, how we can divide the types of computer networks. So first thing is, here we can see that personal area network. So different types of networks are there based on the applications and uses. Okay, many types are there. We will see the types of network one by one with the appropriate example. So first type is personal area network. So from the word, from the name itself, you can find out what is personal area network. You just imagine that what is personal. So this one is the basic computer network that we are using regularly in our day-to-day life. So personal means a single person, for their privacy they are using some networks. So that is personal area network. So here the network coverage area of this type of network is 10 meters from a personal to the device which is providing for computer networking purpose. So here you can see the example. Here you can see that laptop, and with this laptop we have connected smartphones, printer, tablet and personal device assist. So here this one we can use only in the short range of communication. So with your laptop you can connect your mobile, you can connect the printer and you can connect your tablet, and we can connect our personal device assist. Personal device assist is nothing but a basic level of computer. So there we can use some software applications and the very basic level communication purpose we used to have. So with our personal device, we are connecting some of the devices for communication purpose. Okay, what is the example? We can see that we are connecting the USB, computer, phone, tablet, printer. So that is the example of personal area network. Shall we go for the next network? Yeah, from the word itself, again we are going to remember local area network. What is local area network? What is local area network? So local area network means the same like personal area network, but this one we are using in some organizations, like you can see here. So from the application you come to the definition. Okay, we will go for the definition from the application. So the application is, you imagine home, school, library, some college or office. Here how the systems are connected, the server will be there, and with that server all the computers will be connected. So the computers are under control of this server. So that is local area network. So here normally in our day-to-day life, so personal means inside the home we used to have. So only for connecting our personal device purpose. Local area means some networks, some computers are connected with the server. So that is local area. That is also the limited area, and the path and everything will be initialized from the server. Okay, here some of the computers we can connect in with that server. So either we can connect these with using the Ethernet cable or sometimes Wi-Fi. So that is local area network. And the third thing is wide area network. Here we can connect over a large geographical distance. Okay, so that is, here you can see the example. You tell me, so that means that in the previous things we are connecting locally, but here we are connecting the networks globally. So you can take the example internet. So in the internet, many LAN cables or LAN networks are connected. The combination of different types of LAN is called as wide area network. So here you have one server, with that multiple computers are connected. Here you have one more server in one more place. For example, you can imagine that you are in your office. There is a server which is connected with some computers. In your same office, you have one more floor. For example, the second floor employees also connecting using the computers, and that is under control of one server. And one more group of your employees are available in some other country. Okay, apart from you, some other country, they are also connecting, they are also using the computer for communication purpose, which is controlled by some server. So all these LAN connections are called as wide area network. So the example you can remember, the internet. So if it is a personal area network, you can imagine your own personal area network, that is with the laptop we can connect with some devices. And second thing is local area network, which is the computers are connected in a short range of distance. So with the server we are connecting some computers. And wide area network, combination of LAN. So the example we have to remember, the internet. And what is the next one? Wireless local area network. Wireless local area means if you want to connect your laptop in some Wi-Fi wireless connection, what we will do? Some access point will be there. That access point we have to connect with our laptop. So wireless station 1, station 2, station 3, station 4 will be there. Then we are connecting them. That is wireless local area network. What is campus area network? The same like the local area network. In LAN, in one floor, multiple computers will be connected. For example, if you are a college student, you can imagine your computer network lab is available in floor 1. There one label will be there, one local LAN, that is cable will be there. In that your computers are connected. And here campus area network means some of the building, for example, your computer network lab is available in building 1 and your software engineering lab is available in building 2 and your some more lab, okay, artificial intelligence or robotics lab is available in building 3. So the combination of all these buildings is called as campus area network. So whatever the network we are using inside the campus is called as campus area network. So from the word you can tell me the examples which covers school, college, buildings, office, etc. And sixth one is metropolitan area network. So metropolitan area is larger than LAN but smaller than WAN. What is WAN? What is WAN? Wireless area network. So wireless area network, here we can connect without using any cables. But MAN is the same like wireless area network, so wide area network. So in wide area network, it is unlimited. As I said, from some other country also someone can communicate. Okay, for example, as I said, so different types of groups, software development groups working in the same company from different countries. So that is wide area network. Here the MAN is metropolitan networks, that is for single town, cities and large city. So in that range the computers are connected. So that is metropolitan area network. Okay, so that's a small change from wide area network is called as MAN. So from the figure you can see that MAN, here college campus 1, this is one more office building, and this is one more residential block. So you can imagine this one is a city. In the city, college building is there, residential area is there, and office building is there, and some government building is there. So the interconnection of network within the cities or towns or single large city, which is called as metropolitan network. And the seventh one is storage area network. What is storage area network? So here we have the LAN connection, but we want to distribute the high-speed network to the users. For example, you just can imagine that. So some online paper evaluation method is there. So there the people need of high-speed network. Okay, so in that condition, the computer 1, computer 2 and computer 3, 4 are connected through some LAN. So LAN connection is important here. So we already connected the computers using LAN. Each LAN connections is connected with some server. Okay, some server. And that is connected with some storage area network. That storage area network will act as a server, just a centralized server of the remaining servers, and then it will be distributed the network for the storage device network. So whatever the device need to be connected with this storage area network only will get the resources, internet resources. Other than that, what the remaining computers cannot get the resources from this LAN connection. Okay, so that is was storage area network. So for example, I'll tell you that in a small campus, for example, if suppose 13 floors are there, in first, second and third floor need to be allocated for some online paper evaluation. That is, that computers has to allocated for some government exam paper evaluation or some other university exam paper evaluation in online mode. So for that condition, the computers already are connected with LAN, but we have to give some resources to that first, second, third floor alone. So in that conditions, we are using this storage area network. So for that systems alone, we will give the high speed network. Okay, so that is storage area network. And the next thing is system area network. System area network means the server cluster will be there. One more server cluster will be there. So same like the previous thing, single server. In that server, multiple systems will be connected. And one more server, in that system, multiple systems. So the connection between these two server links are called as cluster link. And the next thing is passive optical local area network. Passive optical local area network is nothing but here we are using some switch, and from that we are transmitting the signal like optical splitter things, and then it will move on to the workstation. Okay, so that is called as passive optical local area network. Here we are passing the signal from single strand to single mode optical fiber. From the single mode, the signal will be passing into as a multiple signals. Okay, so that is passive optical. And enterprise private network, from the word you can say that enterprise purpose. So for some companies, the data needs to be maintained confidentially. So those type of things we cannot share to the other users. So in that times we used to have the enterprise private network. For example, see some employees are working from home and some employees are working in office. Even though they are working from home, they cannot able to share the details to some other device or some other mail or some other communication purpose. Even in office, the employees cannot take or share those details to anywhere. That is called as enterprise network. The main aim of this enterprise network is secure connection, because the software developers, without the authority. They cannot share their own software development to anyone. Okay, so that is enterprise network. And what is virtual private network? Virtual private network is nothing but you are a home user, you are in some other place, and some other administrator or some system admin is available in office. If suppose you have any issue in your system, they will be there in office, you are in your home, they can connect through virtual mode. You just take example TeamViewer and many softwares are there. There someone from some other place can access your computer with your permission. So the secret code will send to your system. Using that they can repair or they can access your computer for any communication purpose. That is virtual private network. And finally, home area network. Inside the home, we have the router. In that router, we are connecting the computer and we are connecting the mobile device. We are connecting the laptop. We are connecting the printer. Sometimes we are connecting the TV. Nowadays, we are connecting the TV to access the YouTube, right? So this router or modem is providing the internet connection. So the first network we have seen is private area network. So that is personal area network, that is only for personal use. So from your computer you can connect your tab and you can connect your printer. So what in the short range, like a Bluetooth. In 10 meters you can connect the devices. But home area network is nothing but the internet is connected to your router. That router or modem will distribute the internet resources to all other remaining devices. So these are the types of networks. So before entering into our upcoming sessions, that is most important to know what are the types of networks available. So in the next video session 3, we will use some packet tracer simulation tool to see how the systems, switches, hubs are connected and what is the use, how to transmit the packet, that is message from one device to another device in session 3. Thank you all.